Hey guys, welcome to Voice Bootcamp. This is Faisal Khan, CEO and founder of voicebootcamp.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Voice Bootcamp video files and how to install the player properly. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to get an email from us, and as you can see, the email address will provide as much as instructions as possible. You will have the download link. Something looks like this. Some of you might have one, or some of you might have more than one. It gives you an instruction that you need to download a player from this www.xvast.com. So we must go to that website to download that player, and then of course the next subsequent videos will show you how to open these files. Now go ahead and click on this particular link, which will allow you to download the files on your browser, on your laptop. Sorry. Now the files may look something like this. Now again, depending on how many product you have purchased, some of you might have one, some of you might have a bunch of other files. So you notice that the files are right there. You can select this particular file right on there. Don't click on it, just select the folder you want and check mark this little option, and then in the top right corner, top left corner, you'll see something like this where it says download. So go ahead and click on that. So if you click on that, it will let you download the entire folder. Now of course, depending on the folder size, sometime it might be a little large file, could be a smaller file. Now I'm going to make a folder, I'm going to make a subfolder where I'm going to download all my files. Now of course you can name it, rename it as you wish, and as you download the files, so I'm going to go ahead and download the next one. And of course I can choose a different name if I want. Now as the files are being downloaded, I will go to that web page where I need to download the xvast. So I will go to xvast.com. Now xvast, you can download where it says we only currently support xvast for Windows and xvast for Mac. We do not support iOS, nor we support any Android system at this moment. So I will go ahead and download the xvast for Windows, and again put into the same folder. Now it is extremely important that how you install this xvast, because it is what is important here is to make sure you run it as an admin. So when you download the xvast and install it, please follow the instruction properly. Alright, so as you can see, I have downloaded some folders right here. So there are three. I'm going to show you how to open a video and how to open a PDF file. Now first thing first, we need to make sure we install the xvast player. So what you want to do is a right click, and first thing we need to make sure we run it as an administrator. So that is a very important thing. Keep in mind, you must ensure it is installed as an administrator. Okay, so I'm about to install. While I am installing this, you can go ahead and unzip the folder that you the product that you want. So you right click on the zip file and you can click on extract to that particular folder. Okay, now xvast has been installed, and the folder has been also unzipped. So if you click on that, you'll see a bunch of files that you have. Now if you try to double click on them, let's say if you try to open them on your default player, it will not work. So it is extremely important that you do not double click on these particular files, because they are encrypted and they are signatured with your username and password. So we need to make sure that you do not open them in any other player. Yeah, VLC will not work. Alright, so let's go ahead and open XVAS. So you can browse through your laptop and you can see where your XVAS is installed, the very last one. Again, I always like to open that XVAS as administrator to ensure that you have the proper privileges. Okay, so XVAS is just a normal web browser. You can use it to simply browse google.com. It is actually based on Google. Actually, you can see the Arabic because I'm in Dubai right now recording this video. You can actually browse google.com or cnn.com, however any pages that you would like to visit. It is a full-fledged web browser based on Chrome. Alright, so now that XVAS is installed, and you can just simply drag the video into this. Now you notice how you cannot drag the video. That more likely gives you an indication the program was not installed properly. So what you're going to do, I'm going to open it again. Okay, so now I opened the program again and I was able to drag the video. Now just to make sure, you go to start. You don't have to open it, you just simply open it as a normal application. You can drag the video into this, and as you can see, it gives you a little indication the copy. You can drop it here, it will open the username. Now because this is the it's already been logged in with my ID, so you should be able to view them since the license is already downloaded. So if for your case, it will pop up for username and password. Now in your email, we have provided you with username and password, and that is the username and password that you need to apply when it pops up pop you for username and password. So go ahead and try that out. You can drag and drop, and as you can see, okay.
Hello, my name is Faisal Khan, CEO and founder.
Okay, so that's how basically our videos are played. You can always check the latest version by going to xvas.com. You can also download the latest in case if you need to reinstall it. So go ahead and uninstall and reinstall it from the website. Alright, so that's pretty much what you need to do to watch our video. Now as far as a PDF file is concerned, same thing. When you go to, let's say, the PDF, when you're going to open the PDF file, simply drag the PDF file into the player. Again, if there is a license requirement, it will pop up for license. If not, then it will simply open the video. As you can see, it asks for proper license. You will have to enter your username and password, and that should take care of it. Okay, so I hope this video will help you troubleshoot the problem.